In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash not sending orders to your phone. Let's get started. First thing you should do is make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. DoorDash relies on real-time communication to send delivery requests. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connection. You can also enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds, then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is verify that notifications are enabled. For that, launch settings. Scroll down and go to notification. From the list of apps, find DoorDash and launch it. Make sure you have toggle on for the option allow notification. Without notification, delivery requests may arrive silently or not appear at all. Next up, check if you're actually online. Sometimes Dashers accidentally pause their dash and their dash lose connection without noticing. If you're not actively online, DoorDash won't send orders. Next up, disable battery saver mode. For that, go to battery, go to the option power mode. Disable low power mode. This helps ensure DoorDash can send orders requests instantly. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for DoorDash. Once it appears, if you find the option of update, click on it. Next up, check your delivery zone. Moving to a busy hotspot, driving closer to popular restaurants, scheduling a dash during peak meals. These can significantly increase the number of requests you receive. This might also be one of the reasons you are not receiving many orders. Lastly, check the server status of DoorDash. Launch your preferred browser, type in DoorDash server status and search for it. Head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.